All right, welcome to Unit 11, Part 5, talking about area of similar figures. So if two polygons are similar, then their areas are proportional to the square factor between them, meaning they would be the square factor squared. So if the square factor of two similar polygons was 3 to 2, then the areas would have a proportion of 9 to 4 because it would square both of them. So for example, if these two figures are similar and the area of ABCD is 48 square inches, so the area is 48 square inches, find the scale factor, the ratio of their perimeters, and the ratio of their areas. Well, so here ABCD, so CD corresponds with RS, so the scale factor is 6/9, which reduces to 2/3. So that's the scale factor. The ratio of their perimeters is the same as the scale factor. So the ratio of the perimeters would also be 2/3. The ratio of the areas is the square of the scale factor. So 2/3 squared, which is 4/9. And now finding the area of PQRS, well, basically you take 4/9 and set it equal to 48/x. So you cross multiply, so 4x equals 48 times 9. And then you divide by 4, so x is equal to 108. So the area of PQRS is 108 square inches. So here, the area of triangle ABC is 98 square inches. The area of RTS is 50 square inches, and they're similar triangles. Find the ratio of the areas. Well, the ratio of the areas is 98/50, which reduces to 49/25. It says the scale factor. Well, the scale factor, the scale factor squared gives you the ratio of the areas. So if you're going reverse, you take the square root of 49/25. Well, the square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 25 is 5. So the scale factor is 7/5. The value of x, well, 14/x is equal to 7/5. So when you cross multiply, 7x equals 70. So x is equal to 10. And then it wants the height of each triangle. Well, remember the area. So you have 98 is equal to 1/2 of 14 times the height. So 98 is equal to 7 times the height. And 7 divided by 98 is 14. So the height is 14 inches. So that means the height of ABC is 14 inches. And so that means the height of RST would equal 10 inches. Since notice the base and the height are the same, it has to be the same in the other triangle as well. All right, so the area of triangle TUV is 72 square inches, and the area of the other triangle NOP is 32 square inches, and they're similar. Find the ratio of the areas. Well, the ratio of the areas equals 72/32, which Sorry, the video paused. Here's the answer for number 40. I'll have to go back and also show this bottom page here so you can look at the answers for 39 and 38 because I don't know where it paused. I apologize for that. So there's 38 and there's 39. So at least you have the work. All right, moving on to some review problems. 41. Find the area of each figure. So you have a rectangle, so the area here is 96 because 12 times 8, and then you have a triangle. So the area of the triangle, so the area of the rectangle is 96. The area of the triangle, 1/2 16 times 3, so it's 24. So 96 plus 24 is 120 square units. Here it's a rhombus. So you have the area is equal to 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So it's 1/2 of 26 times 18. So 1/2 of 26 times 18 is 234 square units. So here you have two trapezoids and a circle. So the two trapezoids are the full figure. So the area of the two traps. So you have 2 times 1/2. The sum of the bases is 24 times the height, which is 7. So 2 times 1/2 cancels, so 24 times 7 is 168. The area of the circle, because you have two semicircles, so if you put it together you get one circle, is pi times 4 squared, because the diameter is 8. So 16 pi. So to find the area of the whole thing, you go 168 minus 16 pi, which gives you 117.735 square units. Here it's a regular polygon, it's a hexagon. That means the central angle, 360 divided by 6 is 60. So that means each part here is 30 and 30. So half of 7.5 would give you 3.75. So the apothem is 3.75 rad 3. The perimeter is 7.5 times 6. So to find the area, you're going 1/2 the perimeter, which is 45, times the apothem, which is 3.75 rad 3. When you multiply that out, you get 146.142 square units. It's actually meters, sorry. All right, here you have two figures, you have two triangles that you can use. You have triangle number 1 and you have triangle number 2. So the area of triangle number 1 is 1/2. The height is 2. The base is 6. So that gives you 6 square units. And the area of the second one is 1/2. The base is also 6. and the height is also 2. So it gives you 6 square units as well. So it's 12 square units for the area of the whole figure. All right. Last one. If the figures are similar and the area of one here is 40 inches squared, find the scale factor. Well, the scale factor is 4 over 12, which is 1/3. The ratio of the areas is 1/3 squared, which is 1/9. The ratio of the perimeters is the same as the scale factor, which is 1/3. And the area of LMNO, well, you have 40 over x is equal to 1 over 9. So x is equal to 360 square feet. All right, that concludes our video for part 5. Then that ends our unit for unit 10 and 11. So unit 12 will come up next